From Forex Traders Daily, this is your daily analysis with Ross Mullins, live from Richmond, Virginia.
Hello everyone, this is today's video analysis for March 2nd, 2018. Today we're going to take a look at the USDCAD, the US dollar versus the Canadian dollar, for today's trade analysis. We've zoomed way out here on the daily time frame so we can get a longer term view of this currency pair and the levels that we are approaching and reaching. 1.2900 is the key level we're looking at today. That happens to be the blue shaded area right smack in the middle of the chart. It's at the top of the black and the blue trend line, the black boxes that you see here. That's the 12900 level, key area of resistance. Interesting enough, took Fibonacci from the highest high way up here top left hand corner of the chart down to the lowest low on the chart. That also just above there, 1.2927, happens to be the 50% retracement level of the previous downtrend. You can see that the last two times where the black boxes are came up close to that area into the low 129s and reversed and went back down. So that becomes part of our scenario today for the dollar CAD as well. Now that we've seen that long-term view, let's begin to zoom it in a little bit. And again, there's the last couple of times we came right up here into the 129 level, found resistance, bounced down, found resistance, bounced down, found resistance, began a new downtrend, pushing all the way down into the 122s. Now here we are, once again, challenging this area. Well, the first thing that comes to mind as we look at a chart like this is it's a difficult place to go long and buy. Yeah, I know that the market's been going up. This currency pair has been rising pretty significantly, especially over the past week. We've seen a significant rise for the dollar CAD, but it's a very difficult place to buy and go long under 129 as we approach that blue shaded area. So we know that this is resistance. So I don't think buying it right now is the best opportunity for us for the day today, unless we get the breakout and push above 129. If it breaks out and pushes above 129, then we have the opportunity to see it go higher. The next level that we would look for would be the 1.3000 handle, all the way back up here towards the pink shaded area at the top of the chart. So we know that buying right now is difficult, but if it breaks above the blue shaded area, it becomes a new opportunity to buy towards the 1.3000 level. If we're not buying, we may look for opportunities for resistance and reversal, but I think it's going to take some significant effort to turn this currency pair around. Let's go ahead and take it on down to the 4-hour time frame. And as we get down here, we can see the pattern of the trend clearly has been on a rising pattern. Even yesterday, we saw the market fall down into 128.25. During the trade room, we spoke about the potential opportunities of buying at 128.05, 128.25. In fact, we had some folks talking about that they were already in the buy and the long at 128.25. So if you are in that, you should be protecting profit as it challenges now into 128.75. Again, buying underneath that blue shaded area just doesn't seem like a logical scenario at the current moment. If you were going to buy this again, it's the break above the blue zone. At minimum, you might even look for another challenge back here towards the orange shaded area before you look for the long scenario for the dollar CAD. And really, there's no reason or evidence to go short here. Now, if it finds resistance here again, gives us some clue to reversal, and probably even a breakdown underneath the orange shaded area, we'd look for a reversal for this currency pair underneath the 128 level. But right now, we're just kind of stuck up here. So if you're a buyer, you're looking for dips to the orange zone or a break above the blue zone for the dollar CAD. And if you're looking for an opportunity to go short, you're looking at the blue zone, looking for some evidence of selling pressure from the blue zone, a breakdown of the orange zone, and a turn lower for the dollar CAD, maybe going into next week.
From Forex Traders Daily, this has been your daily analysis with Ross Mullins. If you would like to get Ross's analysis on all the currency pairs he's watching and all the trades he takes today, join him in his live trade room by clicking on the link below. Please leave any comments you have about today's video in the comments section below.